Okay guys, so now we are on the process of demolding. So as you can see, the silicone has dried up, completely dry. So we have to remove this silicone first. See, we have to remove. Sometimes it comes easily and sometimes it comes little harder. So you have to first process is just to remove all this because it will hold it, otherwise it is holding the mold. So what you have to do here is, without damaging like this way, you have to remove the silicone from the sides. All the sides you have to remove. We might not show you the whole sides. It takes some because it takes some time, 10 minutes, 15 minutes. So first process is you have to remove all this side silicones. I'll just remove all these things, all this silicone I will remove first, and then see, this is so easy. This came out so easy. Can you see this? Now this thing what you are watching is the silicone. So anyways, this will have a cut and we will cut it through a router or from the machine. So this thing will go. So you have to carry something extra. You always have to do a little part extra while you are making the mold. So this is our extra part. We just need this part. So this is our extra part. So this is why we are saying that you need to have this extra layer. So this is the reason why it should be. See this. Even this thing, as you can see, this is all silicone. Here it must have reacted to the epoxy resin, and that is why the color has turned out white. This is the silicone. So this same procedure, see this thing, this part very easily it has come out very easily because this was all tape. So the epoxy is not holding to the walls. So this is coming very easily. Before earlier procedure, it used to be very hard. I think this is hard now. This part is hard because this is used many times and it is not tape. So there is this, for this part there is no smoothness. So that is why see it is not coming very easily, but yeah, it came out. So as you can see, this is the simple procedure which you have to follow. We suggest our students to make it from a hammer, just hammer it, but with my hand also it has come out very smoothly. See, just done. So I'll just keep all these walls of the mold on the side first, and then I'll have to place something under it. I'll just try it now. Let's see. Or sometimes it takes time. Just see this thing. This is a simple chisel. This is a simple chisel. You only have to put it inside and lift it. And as you can see, it is very easily it is detaching. This was very thin layer of MDF which we had used. So that is why even the MDF base of it is coming out. So I might have to take a little help from my brother who is shooting the video right now. I'll just try, okay? I'll just climb up. Should I climb up? I can climb up and I will stand on this part. Just to show you guys, I'm doing this. So yes, it's very heavy right now. So this is the down part of it. So this is the simple way of doing your thing, demolding your thing. Now we will take it to the mill. We will cut it into proper rectangular. A little part of it is extra, I guess. So we will cut even the edges. We will cut now. So yeah, this is the process of demolding. There is no much to it. Only thing, while you are demolding, you have to take proper care of this. See, little part of it is up and down now, just because I have pulled it. So if you do such things, then you will have to make this mold again you have to tape it. See, on this part, on this side, there are some marks over here. So this might not be reusable. So we have to clear these things again. We'll have to remove the tape. For the next table, we'll have to remove this part which is damaged, and we'll have to tape it again to reuse it. This was very cheap MDF of ours, so we might get another MDF for this. If it was very thick MDF, then we would have used it again, but let's see. Very heavy it is. So this is how the thing has turned out. The edges are very sharp. The edges, if I touch, are very sharp. They can cut my hand. So just be careful on the edges. Only the edges you have to take care of. Now this all silicone we have to remove. So yes guys, this is it. I hope it's looking great. Okay, we'll see you in our next session, where we'll be cutting this thing and sanding this part. All the other procedures in our next video. Till then, take care. Bye.